Okay, welcome to today's live trading session. Welcome to today's live trading session, and this is your boy Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane. Today we'll be trading live. We have CPI coming in few minutes time, exactly by 1:30 West African time. So we'll be diving into the charts to check out the market condition. We already sent some signals today. We sent some signals today to the group. If you're not part of our free channel, click the link below and gain access to the materials. Okay, it's free. We have a free group and we have a paid group. This is one of the signals we sent. We sent signal on Euro USD. Why is because we see dollar has some strength over the risky assets today. Okay, it's been about 17 minutes. I want us to read a bit about this CPI and understand what it's all about. I want us to read a bit about CPI and understand what it's all about and how best to trade it. So I'll be reading this particular one, inflation rate month over month. Okay, the change in the prices of goods and services for from one month to the next is measured by inflation rate month over month. Changes in the prices of goods and services. That's the that's the track. It's change in the prices, and this is known as the third most impactful indicator or news impact in the market. It is the third most impactful news event in the market. The higher than expected figure should be seen as positive for the dollar, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as bearish or negative for the dollar. Okay, so over here we can see some sentimental analysis, like for the Euro USD, which is one of the most popular traded pair. We have longs 77% and shorts 23% overall, and all the traders connected, all their brokers connected to this platform, my FX book, about 31% of them are trading Euro USD for the long. And then over here is GBP USD. We have 17% of traders for the long, 74% long, and 26% short. USD JPY. So a lot of people are anticipating USD JPY for the dollar to be strong. Sorry, for the yen to be strong. So mainly it is all risky assets. If you check it properly, risky assets. Euro is a risky asset. A lot of people are anticipating for the long. Then JPY short, NZD USD long, AD USD long. So that's what people are anticipating. But one time, what I need to understand based on my experience is that sentimental can be totally wrong most times. Sentimental can be totally wrong, and you being on the opposite side can really be an extra edge. You just need to be able to understand what the market structure is and have an edge in the market. You need to have an edge in the market. So that's not only what we're going to be looking out for. We're also going to be looking out for CPI. CPI is short form of inflation rate. CPI for the dollar. So the higher than expected figure should be seen as positive, bullish for the dollar, while lower than expected figure should be seen as negative, bearish for the dollar. So let me show you something. Currently, what is running the market is the consensus. So if you check 0.2 is exactly 0.2, which is 00. 0.6% is higher than 0.2%, which is 10 based on consensus. Then 3.6% is higher than 3.2%, 20 based on consensus. 4.3% is lower than 4.7%, which is 2-1 based on consensus. Then 306.976 is higher than 305.691. It is higher, which is 3-1 based on consensus, and 305.6 is higher than 304.348, which is I think 4-1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-1 based on consensus. So based on consensus, we have four indicators showing that strong. But when the actual news comes out, the reaction is going to be quite different. I called out, I think, the Euro USD trade for the sell for the free group. I called that signal out for the free group, and I hope everybody apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. One thing about the inflation rate is that let me show you past data. Is that it always has bullish, you always have a bullish move. Let me say, for instance, this one currently on August 10th, it was consensus, lower than consensus, and that should make the dollar to be weak. August 10th, let's check August 10th. What happened on August 10th? Exactly by 1:30 to consensus. August 10th, this is August 10th. We go to the okay, so on August 10th, when it was lower than consensus, what happened? There was a spike, a massive spike. Then the market range for some time and moved down. What really happened was that this particular news event, the US inflation rate month over month news event, I think on August 10th was neutral. It was neutral. Let me open up the history. Please, if you like this content and you're getting values, smash the like button, comment below any extra pair you want me to analyze before we round up the live trading session, because the reason why you're here is two things: to learn, one, and two, to make some money. So if you have some trades going on already or running, you can share those trades on the comment section, and I'll be able to interact with you about the trade. Okay, sorry for the delay. I think I need to refresh this and refresh this. So in 11 minutes time, this is going to be going live. So this was for August 10th, one of the CPI results for August 10th. I like to use investing.com because it has a 10 seconds as well. Okay, so let's continue doing the back testing. Let's continue doing the back testing. Just have your accounts ready, guys. Have your accounts ready. We already have one trade on Euro USD before the CPI. Everyone should break even. Everyone should take their stop loss and put it in profit. You're in profit already on Euro USD. So let's do that first. To apply proper risk management, because I have a little bullish bias. If I'm doing it on my account right now as I'm speaking to you, Euro USD breaking even on Euro USD right now. So guys, you guys should do that as well. Break even for you guys that don't even need to take profit and stop loss. Better do break even right now. What I mean by break even is take your entries and take your stop loss and put it at your entry. Take your stop loss and put it at your entry right now. Take your stop loss and put it at your entry. You can leave the you can leave the you can put the take profit, leave the take profit at 60 pips take profit, but take your stop loss and put it at your entry price right now. We're breaking even because I have a little bullish bias for that trade. So in case the market goes against us, we can still hop in on the you can still hop in on the buys in case the market goes the opposite direction. So I've broken even on this trade. This is where my stop loss is right now. For you guys, let me send this is where my stop loss is. Stop loss is. So you guys should do the same thing. Do the same thing. Let me announce that to the group. Give me a sec. Let me announce that to the group so everyone can break even. Okay. Okay, we've done just that. We've done just that. So now let's see what the past. So this was CPI results as well, month over month. So you look over here, content. This one was actual. That was why the previous one, which was lower than forecast, did not have massive moves. Let us see July 12th when there was what lower than forecast. July 12th. July 12th. This is July 12th. It was lower than forecast. So on July 12th, when it was lower than forecast, we had a massive spike to the upside. A massive spike. Okay. So also on June 13th, we had lower than forecast. June 13th. This was June 13th, lower than forecast. Okay, on June 21st, there was a massive spike to the upside too. So you can see that for yourself. Then May 10th, it was exactly as forecast. I think May 10th, it was exactly as forecast. Let's see what happened on May 10th when it was exactly as forecast. Okay, May 10th, exactly as forecast. So on May 10th, it was exactly as forecast, and the market still moved to the upside. I wonder what could have moved that market to the upside on May 10th when it was exactly as forecast for the CPI month over month. Let's see the result for this particular May 10th. For this particular, okay, so here on May 10th, you see it was lower than forecast over here on May 10th, worse than expected on May 10th. So this particular one was exactly as expected, but the CPI data over here was lower than expected. So to verify to you that all these they are interconnected. All the data we have that will be coming out shortly, they are interconnected. Yes, all this data that will be coming out in about 6 minutes time. They call CPI month over month, year over year. They call CPI index, the CPI month over month, CPI year over year, CPI index. All of them, they are interconnected. They are definitely interconnected. So you're not going to just miss out on one and pay attention to another one. But the most high impact one is this and year over year. You'll be watching out for that. Okay. That's why I have my eye on this chart because CPI. Okay. So let's based on structure. There's a point I want the market to get to before I go into my buys. We already broke even. We already have our 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 take profit. So it plays out. Let's see the structure. Let's see the structure of other pairs. A lot of sentiment is going for the buys. So this is GBP USD. GBP USD currently. Where is the liquidity? Okay. Have liquidity to the downside and also to the upside. One thing I figured out was when the market opened up on Monday, the market moved up, and on Tuesday the market went down for GBP. And currently the market is inside this point over here. This early morning we had a sell off for a negative data on GBP over here, a massive sell off. So I think this is more like a corrective structure for another impulsive wave to the downside. That's what I think because this could be five-wave structure. One, two, three, four, five, and this could be A, B, C. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes because this is looking more like a trend. I don't trade effects, so I trade calls, but I'm just putting my tools together. This is more like a trend. You can see that. Okay, so let's see. We already did break even on the market. Okay, gold. I'll check out gold and NAS 100. Let me check out gold. Let me check out gold. I'll check out gold right now. So for gold had a very massive sell-off. Yeah, I remember I called out this signal for the team as well. For gold, we anticipate a buy setup. We anticipate a buy push for gold because most of CPI I've seen there was a massive buy and there was a massive sell yesterday, Tuesday, and also on Monday for gold. There was a massive sell-off over here. So I think CPI is going to be more of a corrective structure for gold. And if you can see, we have this wedge pattern. This is a wedge. The market broke it to the upside, and after the wedge breaks to the upside, we use the Fibonacci continue to swing high of the breakout to know the actual point the market is going to get to. So most times the point we aim for is 100% and the 162%. So I told my guys to risk 35 pips on this trade and aim for 70 pips. So it's going to be the whole move of the it's more of a corrective structure. We still have more down push to go, but we anticipate CPI to come with a bullish pressure to move the market to the upside for gold. Okay, so now I'll be checking out NAS 100 shortly, but we have less than few seconds to go for the news. Then the countdown has started also. The countdown must have started. Let me go to the news calendar. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So a minute to go. A minute to go. So if this news turns out negative for the dollar, we anticipate gold to buy massively and also easily as well. I think the news is out, but this platform has not shown the news impact yet. I'm on my phone and I can see it's better than expected. So it's sold. So I guess Euro USD should continue the sales. Euro USD should continue the sales. I hope it not take us out on break even. Then Euro USD took us out on break even. But it's the market took us out on break even and is selling Euro USD. So sell, sell, sell. I told you guys for Euro USD. Wow, very massive. Picking out on break even, but I still have other trades running. I sent another signal to the team. We sent Euro NZD to the team for the buy, and that trade is running profitably. You can see gold. We sold gold. Gold had to go for a sell. I hope you guys apply proper risk management. If it comes back to our entry, we might be taking the sells instead. Okay, so our break even on euro, we want another break even on euro. Okay, so just hold on and hold out. So you can enter euro for a sell now. Again, apply proper risk management. Sell. Okay, we have one way to go. I'm going to the upside. Just be patient. NZD, I think we did. Checking out NAS 100. So I can see someone say that I should check out NAS 100. I'll be checking out NAS 100. Okay. Lado Botan. I'll check out NAS 100 for you. Okay. So that's okay. We also have the ADCHF. Have ADCHF. Okay, thank you everyone for staying to the end of the live trading session. I'll be posting this on YouTube. Please smash the like button, share this with your friends, and do always show up to encourage us, okay?